TMC's Roadshow. Rich Tehrani here. Thanks for watching. We're in San Jose. It's a 2012 Roadshow. On our program, Nik Rouda. He's a Senior Director of Solutions and Verticals at Riverbed. And Nik, welcome back to the show.
Great. Thanks, Rich. Great to be here.
Yeah, likewise. It's been a couple of years, and I figured we'd start by talking about what's new at the company. Just tell us what's going on.
So Riverbed's changed a lot in the last couple of years. When we spoke last, we were talking mostly about WAN optimization, our Steelhead product family, and how it was helping companies accelerate their applications and get better use of their networks. What we've done is we've taken that core concept of performance for IT infrastructures, and we've expanded it quite a bit to a lot of new use cases to react to big trends in the market.
So tell me some of those trends and what you've done.
So we see more and more pressures on IT environments today. There's consumer devices and people wanting to have the same IT experience as they use their applications wherever they are on any device, bring their own device. We see people going to cloud computing, which in effect makes everybody in the enterprise further away from their IT resources as they're accessing a cloud service provider data center. We've seen new trends like big data and smart networks and a lot more of hybrid technology in the environments. And what we really want to do is bring this concept of performance to fit anywhere in the IT architecture so that they're getting the best possible user experience, so they're getting the most efficiency out of their IT spend, and they're getting the best environment to run their back office operations as well.
So what sorts of trends are we seeing? I mean, obviously cloud computing is massive, you've got big data, but any other things that you're seeing in the market?
Again, consumer devices, and we see just a lot of movement. There's change going on right now in IT at a rate that's probably beyond what anybody's used to dealing with. At the same time, obviously, world economy is putting more and more pressure on people to be more efficient. So that tension between how do I deliver the right services, the right profile of applications, the right performance, security, putting things where I can control and manage them, but still have flexibility for change in the future. That's a big challenge, and part of what Riverbed is about is with the right performance, you can host things in the right place, have them in the right location for the right reasons, at the right cost profile, and still deliver the correct experience for the end users to want to use that application. And so that's really where Riverbed is focused on, is this pervasive concept of performance in addressing everything we do from IT, not just servers and storage and networks, but looking across the entire environment and taking this programmable approach, because we don't know what the trends will be 6 months from now. Obviously, we work closely with all the IT leaders, but more and more there's change going on, and we want to give a flexible infrastructure to be able to support and adapt to that.
Now, have you seen anything from a competitive standpoint, market share standpoint in the last couple of years?
So when we spoke last, Riverbed was certainly the leader in the space, had the best technology and products, but we're a smaller company next to some of the competitors we were facing. That picture has really shifted in our core WAN optimization space, where now Steelhead is nearly 50% of the market share, more than double the next closest company. So we have emerged from the pack, and that's given us the opportunity now to expand our technologies beyond just WAN optimization and do things like virtual application delivery controllers, so giving performance and control in cloud environments, to be able to do cloud backup and help people get better results as they're trying to back up their critical data to a cloud environment, to be able to give visibility throughout the entire environment and manage it, and do some new technologies related to WAN optimization that enable them to further centralize their data in the environment. So these new product families of Stingray ADC, of our Whitewater Cloud Backup, of our Cascade Application-Aware Network Performance Management, and now our Granite Edge Virtual Server Infrastructure have really expanded the relevance of Riverbed and made us really a must-have technology for a lot of CIOs.
Well, and a very broad base of products for almost every networking need, it sounds like.
Correct, and again, that's
right?
that concept of addressing performance anywhere in the environment, whether it's a mobile worker on the road trying to access things through their laptop or smartphone, whether it's an end user coming to visit your own website or e-commerce site, whether it's internal workers in branch offices over satellite networks, or anyone in the environment trying to access a cloud-based resource.
Excellent. Nik, thanks for being here today.
Great, thank you. Appreciate it.